In this ukulele video of the hashtag #theprochallenge, we're going to do a song that's bound to make you smile. Not only because we're playing the ukulele, because the song, Bobby McFerrin, Don't Worry, Be Happy. This one's got a cool reggae kind of calypso vibe to it, so I can't wait to show it to you and then see what you can do with it. So this is another great 3-chord song. The entire song, 3 chords, and it's just a classic song. Now, the original version is in B. Check this out. But that's hard on the ukulele. B's not a great key for the ukulele, so what we're going to do is we'll move it up a half step. We're just going to do the key of C. Now, some of the open position chords make this kind of reggae vibe a little harder, but that's okay. I think it's a great key for it. 3 chords, C, D minor, and F. I'll show those to you in a second. But really what's important is that rhythm. That's really going to be the trick to it. So we're going to do a little tutorial here. Oh, by the way, I figured, why not do it here on my Pineapple Sunday? This would be a perfect song for this ukulele. All right, so we're going to do a little tutorial here, and then at the end, we're going to do a play along, and we'll do a little singing. We're just going to do a little part of it, just the first verse and the chorus. All right, the 3 chords, C chord. By the way, I do have a high G on here. Then it goes to a D minor chord. Right to an F chord. And then right back to a C chord again. So the actual progression, each chord gets 2 measures, so it's C, C, D minor, F, F, and then C, C. And then you repeat and go back to C again. So the C chord is at the beginning and also at the end, okay? Now the rhythm is this right here. Now what's tough about this is where those accents are, where that down up are. It feels like, and sometimes you'll switch it around. I know I'll switch it around sometimes, where you actually put it on beats 1 and 3, but really it's supposed to be on beats 2 and 4, and that's very reggae-like. Okay? So what that means, you got to start off like this: a mute, up, down. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and okay. So that's a little tricky right there. Now to get the mute. What I'm doing is I'm using my side of my hand here, and it's going to, again, just hit the strings and mute it just like this, okay? Again, the bar chord's a little easier because you could just release the pressure, but let's keep it simple. Let's just do this open C chord. So now on the upstroke, it's really kind of hard to, is it impossible? It may be, to actually hit an upstroke with the mute on. So mute on the down, and then on the upstroke, just kind of hit this first string is fine. Then on beat 2, you're going to go down, up, no mute. On beat 3, back to the mute, and then beat 4, unmute. And that's it. That's the strum pattern for the whole thing. Okay, let's do that nice and slow. 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so let's do it again. I got to kind of a little bit of rust. I was a little heavy on beat 1, so just got to be real light. Okay, let's try again. 2, 3 and 1, 2. That was better. 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and D minor, and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4. Now the top. All right, so that's notice how that C chord starts and ends it. That's it. That's it. Now, it's not crazy hard, but it is a little tricky, especially if we're not doing any backing tracks or anything to kind of help give us our time. All right, so let's try that because I kind of threw you off right there. Let's just do it one more time through, and then we'll do the play along. All right, so here we go. C, C, D minor, F, F, C, C. 2. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, D minor, and F, C. Don't worry, be happy now. Man, what a cool song. All right, let's dive into this. Let's do the little play. Now, you don't have to sing, but I think it's cool if you can. Especially it's great practice trying to do this rhythm and sing over at the same time. Your melody note, your first note of the melody is right there. It's that E note right there. Okay, so what's the first title? Okay. Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note, but don't worry. All right, shall we do it? Let's do it. Okay, why don't we do this? Why don't we go one time around with the rhythm, and then we'll do the first verse, we'll do the first chorus, and we'll stop it right there, okay? Da-da-da, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... All right, here we go, and... Here's a little song I wrote. I wanna sing it note for note, but don't worry. Be happy, don't worry. Be happy now. For every life has some trouble. When you worry, you make it double. Don't worry. Be happy. Woo! Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry. Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now. All right. Something just like that. Again, you don't have to sing. Just kind of play that rhythm a few times through the progression if you want. But it'd be kind of cool if you gave it a shot. It's really kind of tricky to navigate that. But I had a lot of fun with it. So anyway, there's your song. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't forget to post your video. I can't wait to see what you do and how you dig this one right here. Don't worry, be happy. Bobby McFerrin, good luck to you, and I'll check out your video.